प्यारे छात्रों, आज पुनः एक बार एक वीडियो लेकर आपके सम्मुख उपस्थित हैं और आज जो टॉपिक लेकर उपस्थित है वो उसका बारंबार रिकरिंगली व्यूअर्स जो है वो उसकी डिमांड कर रहे थे। वो टॉपिक है कीमोसिंथेसिस। तो आज कीमोसिंथेसिस को डिटेल में हमने पहले शॉर्ट बनाया था, तो जो व्यूअर्स है उनकी डिमांड थी कि शॉर्ट नहीं, हमें डिटेल में नॉलेज चाहिए, इसलिए आज हम अपना टाइप्स ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस और द मेटाबॉलिज्म लेकर उपस्थित हुए हैं। और आप सभी का हृदय से आभार प्रकट करते हैं कि आप लोग ना केवल हमारे शॉर्ट्स वीडियोस देख रहे हैं बल्कि उसे पसंद भी कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छे कमेंट्स आप जो भेज रहे हैं उसके लिए हम आपका बहुत आभार, कोटिशः आभार प्रकट करते हैं। और इसी तरह वीडियो को देखिए, अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा और यदि पसंद आता है तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। और अगर आपको लगता है कि ये बेनिफिशियल है तो अपने जितने भी मित्र मंडली है, संगी साथी है, उनके साथ शेयर करना भी ना भूलिएगा। तो चलते हैं, थोड़ा डिटेल में जानकारी देने का प्रयास करेंगे। कीमोसिंथेसिस की जानकारी के लिए हमें बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस पे आना पड़ेगा, तो हम थोड़ा सा डिटेल में लेंगे वीडियो। तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस और द मेटाबॉलिज्म। वी आर ऑलरेडी नोइंग दैट मोस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म एक्सपोज्ड टू द सनलाइट. Okay, many organisms, they are exposed to the sunlight for the preparation of their food purpose. Okay, so what they are doing, sunlight at the surface of the biosphere, either performing both. What they are performing, both photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Otherwise cellular respiration they are performing. So on the basis of sunlight, with the help of sunlight, they are performing photosynthesis, either photosynthesis and cellular respiration, or they are performing the only cellular respiration. Okay, such type of process was one of the biological very important processes there. Now, few organisms, they produce their own food in absence of light, in absence of sunlight, oxygen, with the help of the chemical energy, and that process is called as chemosynthesis. In absence of sunlight and with the help of what? With the help of chemical energy, that process is called as chemosynthesis. That process is called as chemosynthesis. Chemo means chemical, already it is known. Okay, chemo means chemical. Photo means photon. Photon means the radiation. Radiation means the sunlight. Okay, so photosynthesis means with the help of sunlight. Chemosynthesis means with the help of chemical energy. Okay, so now the types. How many types of biological processes will be there? Our biological processes are divided into three parts. First is called as photosynthesis, second is called as cellular respiration, and third is called as chemosynthesis. Got it? Photosynthesis with the help of energy, cellular respiration with the help of energy, and third is the chemosynthesis also with the help of energy. But this energy is which energy? This is the chemical energy. Here photosynthesis, sunlight required, here oxygen required, and here chemical energy is required. Okay, so these are the three types. Okay, now when these are the three types, so first of all let us have a look of the photosynthesis. Already we have completed this in our previous videos, but since the demand has come, so that's why I'm going to explain this particular thing. Now what is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, already you are knowing that plants are absorbing the sunlight, and with the help of sunlight they are preparing their own food, and that's why they are called as the autotroph. So plants perform photosynthesis to produce their own food during the day by converting solar energy, carbon dioxide and water into what? Into the glucose. Glucose means the sugar, and oxygen, and that process is called as photosynthesis process. It is completed inside the chlorophyll, which is present inside the chloroplast. Okay, that we have completed. What is the chemical reaction? Chemical reaction, 6 molecules of the carbon dioxide react with the 12 molecules of the water in presence of sunlight inside the chlorophyll. Then reaction has been completed, and then what we will get? We will get the glucose. 1 molecule of the glucose means sugar molecule, 6 molecules of the water, and 6 molecules of the oxygen. This is our photosynthesis reaction. Here sunlight is there, in presence of sunlight light reaction will be there. At night dark reaction is also will be there. That also we will complete in our next videos. Okay. Now, what is meant by cellular respiration? Name only indicates cellular respiration, means cells, they are performing the respiration. Cellular respiration, it's the exactly reverse of the photosynthesis process. It is a reversible process of the photosynthesis, and in which what is happening? Glucose and oxygen. Plants are preparing the glucose and oxygen. and that glucose and oxygen, we are eating the food and we are getting the energy with the help of glucose. We are getting the oxygen from the atmosphere, and then what is there, that glucose which we are taking, intake of the glucose is there, that is converted into carbon dioxide, water and the energy. So we are performing the cellular respiration, number of species performing the cellular respiration, and they are getting the energy. What is a very important reaction? These reactions are very, very important. Photosynthesis reaction, respiration reaction, very important reactions are there. So kindly note it down. So first one, the glucose. Now glucose is prepared by the plant just now. It was the main product of the plant. So glucose react with oxygen. We are inhaling the oxygen, but it react with the oxygen. Then inside our lungs, the alveoli are there. They are completing the cellular respiration. Then we are getting, what we are getting? The side products.